Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to fix Netflix subtitles. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the Netflix app and sign in. Now tap the movie or show you want to watch. Tap the dialog box at the top right and select the subtitle in your preferred language. So that's how you fix Netflix subtitles. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.